Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance. Now, today in and of itself, you can summarize it very quickly, in trading terminology and trading jargon. And this is what we would call a gap and trap. What do I mean by that? Well, on Tuesday, the price closed right there. And then this morning, the price opened right there, hence the gap up. And then even after the price opened up, the price still showed some signs of power by going up to that area, and then some poor souls bought up around here, and then from that point, it was all bears the remainder of the day, hence the trap part. So a total gap and trap, quite frankly, a very nasty move, and I'm not going to say that the entire chart is ruined, but the price is definitely sitting near a very, very important level, and that level is down here at, let's see, what is that? $2.65. Why is $2.65 important? Well, I'm not saying this will happen, but just to offer up some context, but let's say that the price once again goes down to that $2.65 mark. However, in this situation, does not hold and just continues on down. At that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would have the price right back inside of that range from, way back here before the big movement occurred. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So 265, definitely a very important level for that reasoning. But also, to be fair, and this definitely assumes that you care about more so the big picture point of view. So if you bought right up there as a day trader, then you're not going to care about what I talk about here. But assuming you do care about the big picture of things, if the price does stabilize here and then start to work its way back upwards, well, at that point, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have a low there. You'd have lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, then at least at that point from the big picture, you would still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So 265, definitely an important level because it's essentially telling us, is the price making progress forward, that associated with bullishness, or is the price going back to where it was, that associated with bearishness? So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But yeah, a whole lot of eyeballs going to be on that 265 mark. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.